Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya wal mursalin wala alihi washabihi ajmain. Amma ba'du. The Honorable, my lecturer in seminar in language teaching, Miss Septa Arianika MPD. The Honorable, my friend in E-class 6 semester. The Honorable, my best friend who still with me right now. The Honorable, my parents who support me to finish my study in the next semester. The Honorable all aspect in my life, in my heart. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Tegar Abi Huda, and my student number is 1711040 166. In this video, I would like to deliver my proposal in simulation of proposal seminar, and the title of my proposal is Grammatical Error Analysis in English Subtitle on Shigatsu wa Kimi no Uso Final Episode Film. In this video, I would like to explain the introduction, review of literature, and the third is research methodology. Okay, in the first, I would like to explain my introduction in my proposal seminar. In this part, I would like to explain my introduction in my proposal. First is background of the problem. Second, identification of the problem, implementation of the problem, and the formulation of the problem. And for the background of the problem is language is a medium for people to communicate to other people. It is a system which is helpful for people to giving information, and language has notable function to express feeling, doubt, and idea. It triggers people to take on the message and understand them. Furthermore, language enables people to indicate personal identity. People can communicate with others by using own language style. It will trigger people to create language varieties while express the message. Language can assess the culture of their background through people utterance. And grammar is systematic study and description of the language. According to Herring 2016, grammar refers to the way the words are used and classified and structured together to form to coherent written or spoken communication. Grammar contains the rule of combining word, sentence, and phrase structure. People are pushed to construct sentences precisely when they are conveying a message. In fact, grammar provides the knowledge for people in order to be capable to understand the meaning of the word, phrase, and sentence in the language. Okay, the second is identification of the problem. Identification of the problem is this research aims to analyze error of word, phrase, clause, sentence found on film Shigatsu wa Kimi no Uso at final episode. The research employs two studies include morphology and syntax. Morphology in syntax will give exhausting understanding toward the categorization of grammar error on Shigatsu wa Kimi no Uso final episode. The research involved four types of grammatical errors such as phonology, morphology or syntax, semantic and lexicon, and discourse. Furthermore, the process of grammar error are categorized into four types of strategies, namely omission, addition, misformation, and misordering. And for the limitation of the problem is grammatical error analysis on film Shigatsu wa Kimi no Uso final episode are omission, addition, misformation, and misordering. In the research object, the film is subtitled by Horrible Soups. And the formulation of problem is what are types of grammatical error in English titled by Horrible Soups on film Shigatsu wa Kimi no Uso final episode. And the second formulation of problem is what are possible factors that contribute to error on film Shigatsu wa Kimi no Uso. Okay, the next aspect I would like to explain the chapter 2 review of literature related literature. I would like to explain the chapter 2 review of related literature. In the theory, I would like to deliver the two theory in the grammatical error analysis. First is linguistic category taxonomy, and the second is survey strategy taxonomy. Okay, in the linguistic category taxonomy, classifies error to according to either or both language component or particular linguistic constituent or effect. Language component include phonology in pronunciation, syntax and morphology in grammar, semantic and lexicon in meaning and vocabulary, and discourse in language style. Phonology, according to Stephen 2012, phonology is the systematic study of the sound used in their language, their internal structure, and their composition into syllable, word, and phrase. So it is related with pronunciation because it tells us how to pronounce the word. Example, game in the center of is A, break stressing in the center A, paper is the stressing in the second letter is A. Morphology and syntax. Morphology is a branch of linguistics that focus on the way which words are formed from morphemes. It is according to Zakaria 2016. Morphemes are smallest linguistic unit which hold any meaning. Syntax is branch of linguistics that focus on scientific study of the structure of the sentence as an independent unit. Compared to phonology, syntax is distinguished by the fact that it focuses on the linguistic form of the sentence without giving principal importance of the meaning, which is the object of study for semantics. See semantic and lexicon. Semantic is study of the meaning of a sign. More explicitly, semantic is the study of correspondence, of mapping relation, expression, signifier side of signs, and their meaning and signified side is according to Rossi 2016. Lexicon is the collection of the word or internalized dictionary that every speaker of a language has referred to a stock of the terms used in particular profession, subject, or style. They are including the meaning of word and phrases, appropriate usage of the word and phrases. Relationship between word and phrases. And the last is discourse. In linguistics, discourse refers to a unit of the language longer than a single sentence. Discourse is the way in which language is used socially to convey broad historical meaning. It is language identified by the social condition it is used, who is using it, and under what conditions. It is according to Henry and Tator and in 2002. Survey strategy taxonomy. Survey strategy taxonomy is proposed by Duley, Bird, and Krashen in 1982. Is a taxonomy developed in analyzing error made by learners, which consists of several alternatives for error classification as a result of comparative categorization and communicative effect taxonomy. By classifying error using survey strategy taxonomy is practical since it basically highlights the cognitive underlying learners' reconstruction of mother tongue and target language. This taxonomy is divided by four categorization are omission, addition, misformation, and misordering. First, omission. Omission are characterized by absence, an item that must appear in a well-formed utterance. It is according to Duley, Bird, and Krashen in 1982. Content morphemes carry the bulk of the referential meaning, of the sentence: noun, verb, adjective, adverb, and adverb. For example, in the sentence, Mary is the president of the new company. The word Mary, president, new, and company are content morphemes that carry a burden of the meaning. If I decrease the determiner in this sentence become Mary, president, the new company, we can see omission are work when the subject had met the determiner and then the determiner will remove. And the second is addition. It is opposite to omission. They are characterized by presence of an item which must not appear in the well-formed utterance. Addition usually occurs the later stage of second language acquisition when the learner has already acquired some roles. It is same to Dulay Bird and Crescent in 1982. There are three types of addition error as been observed in speech both first language and second language learners. In the type of addition is double marking, regularization, and simple addition. It is example of double marking. Double marking is addition of error more accurately described as failure to delete certain items which are required on some linguistic construction. In the example of double marking is I didn't go. Although go takes a past tense marker when there is no auxiliary such as do on which to mark the sentence as they went to lunch an hour ago. Okay, the second is regularization. Regularization is a rule typically applies to a class of linguistic items such as main class of main verb or the class of noun. In the most of language, however, some members of a class are exception for the rule. For example, the verb eat does not become eaten, but ate. The noun sheep is also sheep in is also sheep in plural, no sheeps. Okay, the third is simple addition. If an error is not a double marking nor a regularization, no particular features characterize simple addition other than those that characterize all addition error. They use an item which not should appear in a well-formed utterance. The fourth is misformation. Misformation error are characterized by use by the wrong form of the morpheme or structure. While in omission error, the item is not supplied at all. In misformation error, the learner supplies something, although it is incorrect. For example, the dog ate the chicken. The fifth is misordering. Misordering error are characterized by incorrect placement of the morpheme or the group of morpheme in a utterance. For example, he is all the time late. All the time is misordered. Misordering occurs systemically for both second language or first language learners in constructions that have already been acquired. B is relevance studies. In here, I want to explain the inspiration that is relevant with my proposal. First, I see the first researcher of using the grammatical error is Alexander Veneta in English Letter Study Program, Faculty of Letters, Sanata Dharma University, Yogyakarta. In 2012, who studies about grammatical error in Will I Am song. She is use qualitative research using documentation method by collecting any data that can support his research. And the second researcher from University of Lampung, she name is Nur Hoironi from Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, University of Lampung in 2017, who studied about an analysis of the student grammatical error in writing descriptive text on survey strategy taxonomy at the second grade of SMA Negeri 1 Pesisir Tengah Krui. She used the qualitative research, same the first researcher that I be the inspiration. It is used descriptive qualitative method by collecting any data that can support the research, and start it by testing the school students in the class with descriptive text. The theoretical framework. It is the last part of the chapter 2. There are two theories that contribute in this research. First is linguistic category taxonomy, and the second survey strategy taxonomy. The first and the second theories focus on grammar analysis. Linguistic category taxonomy and survey strategy taxonomy function to set the type of error based on the taxonomies. Linguistic category taxonomy goes to see the error by analyzing language component and their constituent, and the surface strategy taxonomy see the changing process of a sentence that cause an error. The error will be classified based on available process of grammar error. Both theories will be helpful to reveal the error based on their own group. They are related on how these taxonomies are focused on. Linguistic category taxonomy is analyzing error by language component and constituent on its word, and the surface category taxonomy is how to process changing of a sentence that cause an error. So they are related each other to correcting the grammatical error on any object. Okay, that's all the chapter 2. Then the next, I would like to explain the last chapter, research methodology. Research methodology. First is research design. Research design is notable thing doing a research. Research design is a plan that we are before doing the research. Research design is a strategy to combine some different components in the research. According to experts, research design is plan and procedure for research to detailed method of data collective and analysis. It is according to Creswell in 2009. In this paper, the writer decided to analyze a movie episode named Shigatsu wa Kimi no Uso in final episode. In this research, the writer used qualitative research because this research focused on analyzing the grammatical error in English subtitle. The material that can be used in qualitative research are its movie episode. The material can be used in qualitative research are its movie episode in full English dictionary. In this research, the material focused on a movie that produced by A1 Pictures named Shigatsu wa Kimi no Uso in final episode. According to Ari, 2010, the qualitative inquiry deals data that form as word or picture rather than number and statistic. The writer decided to use descriptive method in his qualitative research because the writer want to find grammatical error in English subtitle movie. The descriptive method also used because the writer researched to analyze the data to examine what are grammatical error that include in its subtitle. According to Bogdan and Bicklin in 1982, qualitative research is descriptive, which its data is collected in the form of word or picture rather than number. B is instrument. The instrument that used in this research to find the data is documentation. Documentation can be assumed as to collect and gather any data that we found called document. Document contain text and image that we can find it without making direct observation. Atkinson and Covey in 1997 defined document as social files which are produced and shared and used in socially organized way. The researcher collect need data by doing the following step. First, watch the final episode of Shigatsu wa Kimi no Uso until finished. Watch carefully the subtitle and retype it to other file. 3. Collect any relevant data that can be used to analyze the movie. 4. Analyze the data from the movie. And the 5th, identify and describe what errors are included in its subtitle. The last is data collection. Shigatsu wa Kimi no Uso consists of 22 episodes, which is the duration in its episode around 22 and 23 minutes. Shigatsu wa Kimi no Uso tells about Kosei Arima dream to be a famous pianist in Japan, and Miyazono Kaori come to encourage Arima to play piano back and raise his dream to be famous pianist in Japan. But in this episode, Arima has piano competition and Kaori was searched in hospital. Then, when Arima get the champion title, Kaori has passed away because leukemia. Based on data explanation above, the researcher want to analyze the grammatical error that include in this movie. There are linguistic category taxonomy and surface category taxonomy. Okay, that's all from me. If I have many mistakes when ordering or delivering my proposal in simulation of seminar proposal, I would like to say sorry to you all and the viewer if I have many mistakes, because the human is not cannot be separated on the mistake. That's all from me. Wabil taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.